Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Start by sitting in the driver's seat with the 2023 Toyota Highlander parked and engine in accessory or on position. Turn on the Toyota audio multimedia and locate the USB port with a phone icon or the front USB-C port labeled 1. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone and set it to discoverable for 2 minutes before pairing. If you plan wired Apple CarPlay or Android Auto, use a high-quality USB-C or Lightning cable and avoid USB hubs or cheap cables that fail data transfer. To pair wirelessly, open the Toyota Audio Multimedia menu and go to Phone or Connections, then select Add New Device and choose Bluetooth. On your phone, accept the pairing request and confirm the matching 6-digit code displayed on both the phone and the Highlander screen before accepting. For wireless Apple CarPlay, enable CarPlay in iPhone settings General CarPlay and accept the car's CarPlay prompt. For Android Auto, enable wireless Android Auto or set the Android Auto app to allow wireless connections. Wait about 30 seconds for profiles and permissions to finish syncing. For a wired connection, plug the phone into the front USB port and accept any data or CarPlay/Android Auto permissions when the Toyota screen prompts, typically within 1 to 2 minutes. If the CarPlay or Android Auto icon does not appear, disconnect the cable, restart both the phone and the multimedia system, then reconnect and try a different certified cable. If problems persist, update your phone OS and the Toyota multimedia firmware. Check the cable for charge-only wiring, and factory reset network settings on the phone as a final step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.